On the 2nd of June, Andhra Pradesh, as we know it, will cease to exist with a part of the state being carved off to form Telangana. Simi Pasha travelled around the proposed joint capital Hyderabad to find out what its residents thought of the move coming just ahead of the elections. A heady mix of poetry, arts and crafts and delicious cuisine. The city of Hyderabad is the centre of what is called Deccani Tehzeeb, an amalgamation of cultural traditions of North and South India. From being a princely state to the capital of Andhra Pradesh, to now being declared a joint capital of Telangana and Semanthra, Hyderabad has witnessed rulers, from medieval emperors to present-day politicians, battle for control over its territory. But this city has held on to its own, time and again reasserting its own brand of culture. A walk into the old city's bustling Lard Bazaar, spread under the shadow of the iconic Charminar, brings us into the glittering world of Hyderabadi gems and jewellery. Pearl necklaces and sparkling bangles made from colourful pieces of glass attract women like moths to a flame. Muhammad Ghulam Mustafa's jewellery store is more than 50 years old. It's a business that he inherited from his father. A true blue Hyderabadi, Mustafa claims that politicians may have divided Andhra Pradesh, but for the people of Hyderabad, it doesn't mean much.
पहली बात तो इसको अलग नहीं करने का था, चलो कर दिए, लड़ाई झगड़ा खत्म हो गया। दूसरी बात है, हम पे तो कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है। जितने भी जो तरक्की काम जो चल रहे थे, बड़े बड़े फैक्ट्रीज वगैरह ये आ रहे थे, ये ज़रा मुश्किल नज़र आता है, ये मुश्किल नज़र आता है। अभी उसके लिए बहुत टाइम लगने वाला है। हमारा तो बिजनेस है, चल रहा चलता है, बिजनेस में तो कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं।
Mohammad Riaz, who runs a Unani Dawakhana near Charminar, claims that the boundaries don't divide people.
पानी में लकड़ी मारने से पानी जुदा नहीं दिखता है। पानी लकड़ी उठाते, पानी एक हो जाता है। जैसा हिंदू और मुसलमान एक ही है।
The scent of freshly cooked Hyderabadi dum biryani draws us to Roman Restaurant, a popular chain with outlets across the city. Saffron rice cooked with layers of chicken and mutton is the most delicious delicacy that the city has to offer.
कोई महसूस नहीं होगा, क्योंकि इससे पहले भी हम आंध्रा, सीमा आंध्रा और तेलंगाना वाले सब मिलकर हम गंगा जमुना तहजीब जो कहते हैं हैदराबाद की, हम सब मिलजुल कर जिंदगी गुजारते हैं। तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई फर्क महसूस होगा। It will be normal as it was earlier.
But there's more to the city than its biryani, gems and jewellery. Copper and aluminium metal handicraft work that was popularized by the Nizams in the 18th century is also a trademark industry unique to this city.
ये ओल्ड सिटी में पुराने जामा मस्जिद, चौकी मस्जिद, घड़ियाल, कबूतर खाना बोलते हैं इसको, 400 साल पुराना है। और ये काम इनके 70 ईयर्स से चल रहा है। ये मोल्डिंग को ढालते हैं, ब्रास का काम होता है। ये बिराज बना के पब्लिक को शाइनिंग करते हैं, इसको देखते हैं, ले आके घर में सजाते।
The imprint of Qutub Shahi and Nizam rule are evident on Hyderabad's culture, architecture, cuisine and language, giving it a very distinctive and very unique identity. As leaders from Telangana and Semanthra wrestle for control over the joint capital, this city of pearls harbours its very own dreams, that of one day being declared a union territory. With Kashif Siddiqui in Hyderabad, Simi Pasha for the Election Express.